Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing some keyword research live. When I saw this keyword and I saw how much money it was making, I was genuinely surprised. So let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. The other day I was doing some keyword research for things related to Italy. And there was this keyword that came up called Italian horn. And I was kind of like just thinking like, Italian horn, what is that? I didn't really know about it. I didn't have any concept of it. So I did basic research, and this is one of the products that was doing really well. It happens to be a digital download, which is a digital product that we could technically mimic through Artemis, AI Artemis that is, the artificial intelligent Etsy listing platform. But I looked at it and I said, wow, this product has five added to the cart. At the time, the product had like 7 or 8, which probably had a little bit more of a psychological effect on me, to be 100% honest with you. But I thought it was pretty basic, right? This is another one of those examples that when I sit by myself and I do some analysis, this reminds me of this concept that just because I wouldn't buy something doesn't mean that other people won't. Clearly, other people are buying this. And we can look at this person's reviews. The store has 596 sales within the last year and a half. There's a lot of images here that are just simply easy to mimic. 100% easy to mimic. But obviously you don't want to, steal somebody else's work, but I'm just saying that this just shows how money can be made, right? Like this product, I don't think it has necessarily sales. I don't think it says be the first to review this item. It may not, but we can always do research around it. So let's go ahead and use this as an example, because clearly this seller is onto something. So doing a little bit of keyword research, doing a little background research can really help us in the long term. So I'll look at something like that bow. Let's go to it here. Oh, here it is, the black bow. And I'm just going to search first black bow. Now, black bow can mean physical product as well when we're searching that. So who really knows what can come up, but we'll see. Black bow has 286 searches per month. It happens to be up 68% in the last 7 days, which is interesting. So probably somewhere here, this peak. And we could see how many daily searches, 17, 15, 15, and so on. So somewhere in that range, you can see anywhere from like 5 to 15 is the average. Of course, there's some days where it jumps a little lower. But let's now see what kind of products associated with Black Bow on Etsy can potentially get some success. So let's go ahead and click Get All Pages here, and let's perform a scan on all these different keywords in the pages. And we'll just give it a few seconds here for it to run so we can get an idea of what kind of keywords we're going to be consuming here that could potentially make us some money if we get involved. And what I like to do is, while this is kind of doing its scan, I like to open up an incognito tab, because I like to see what kind of products can we see on Etsy through an incognito tab associated with these specific keywords, just like that. And I'll search for anything that catches my attention here. So for example, I saw the word Black Bow SVG a few seconds ago. Of course, they're always adding more and more keywords. I think it's right here, Black Bow SVG. I'll actually add that to my favorites right there. And I'll head over here and I'll type the same thing, Black Bow, and then SVG, okay? And let's go ahead and search here. We got a lot of different competition. We have products that are as cheap as 99 cents, all right? And something I want to say is you can tell that this person knows what they're doing. A lot of people who price their products very, very cheap like this, it's not forever. What I've tend to find is that if you track a store like this, the store is only 5 months old. So shop owner, owned by whatever, and it says here Etsy, 5 months on Etsy. So if we click on this store owner, this is a little tip for you guys. They price their products really cheap in the beginning to get those few sales transactions, to get those few orders. Even if they have to lose money in the beginning, they're going to do it. Now, 99 cents, you're not necessarily going to lose money. You might not make, you're definitely not going to make a lot. Maybe 30 cents, 20 cents you might make, but that's definitely not much. But if they're running ads, they will lose money. Now, this right here is not an ad-based upload, right? So this is not an ad, but when we look at these other images, they all kind of have the same style, which is kind of like like just a bunch of them, like a bundle. And then we have like this product here. It says 6 Black Bow Clip Art Watercolor bows. Okay, so we look at this product, or look at this store rather, and you can see they all have the same strategy: 94 cents, 94 cents, $1, 94 cents here. We have $1.10. We have $1.10. And while I'm looking at this, let me go ahead and actually stop this now. I think this did enough. And we actually got all the list of different keywords here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort these keywords in competition, results, trend, etc. So for here, I'm going to click on likelihood first. And I want to see what gives me the greatest likelihood. So Black Bow Birthday Invitation, this product right here, this keyword, gives me the best likelihood of a sale at 47, a scale of 47. And it gets 187 searches a month, and it gets 6.6 thousand results. So I could go ahead and copy this, and we can go into our Etsy here, and we can perform a search for Black Bow Invitation and just get an idea for what exists. So once again, if we look at the stats, there's 6.6k results. Now, it doesn't mean that all of the listings here are 6.6k. Not all of them are exactly the same. So like if you see here, this is a picture of, what is this, a drink of some sort, and it's got a black bow in there. That has nothing to do with Black Bow Invitation. So we can see already the competition is starting to degrade somewhere halfway through the page. So what that means to us is that this is indeed an open market, because just because there's 6,000 results showing doesn't mean that there's 6,000 competitors. And that's the big thing. And here we have a ton of searches, 187 searches. So this is definitely an opportunity. And if anybody here is listening and wants to create a product for this, and you'll probably end up making money for this, go ahead and do this now. Black Bow Birthday Invitation. And if you're going to go ahead and do this, make sure you leave a thumbs up for this video to show that you're actually going to take action on this keyword and go make money off of it, because you absolutely can. The stats are right here in front of us. You're gonna make money if you create a product for this. It's only a matter of time. Now, if we want to actually see a little bit more details about this keyword, the Black Bow Birthday Invitation, we can go ahead and head over to our search here, and we can search for that keyword. Now, before I do that, I think I might be interested in looking at some more keywords here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this as a PDF, so I can always come back to it later. So I'll click export as a PDF here, and for those who are curious, the PDF looks exactly like this, like everything that you're seeing on the screen, and it gives you colors, it gives you numbers, all that kind of stuff. So that's a little information for you. And then there's more information here on the total amount of keywords, the average competition, the average likely percentage for how likely is it for you to get a sale, the average opportunity score, the average long tail keyword, how easy it is, how tough it is, and of course if there's any hidden gem products. So in this case, there are no hidden gems. It's really hard to find hidden gem keywords, but there's still money to be made here. So I'll click save to PDF. You can see after saving the PDF, this is how it looks. And there's definitely a lot of content here, a lot of pages. I think it's like 6 pages long, 7 pages long. There we go. So you get an idea. So for me, I like to go for these keywords, guys, that stand out and allow me to make some sort of money. I don't care about the product that I have to create. I don't care about the niche. I don't care about any of that. I just want to go ahead and create stuff that's going to produce some sort of income over time. And I don't want to, waste too much time testing and experimenting, because all of that is just time wasted. I could always make money faster by finding the right keywords, as I'm doing here, and going out there and making more money with it. So now that we've done that, I'm going to take the exact Black Bow Birthday Invitation keyword. I'm going to perform a search here, and I'm going to show you, or we're going to see the actual stats behind this exact keyword. So the tool was right, 187 searches, 6.6k results, all right? And what we can see here is the average daily search. So what we see, this information provides a lot to us, guys. First thing is that the trend is down 57%. but that's only for the last 7 days. We don't exactly know how this trend has been going for the last 3 months, for instance. But if we look here, 37 searches on April 13th. 37 out of 187. So if we really cut that down, the number's about 150. And if we cut this outlier down with 26, the number's about 120. Now, does that really make a difference too much? Well, it does make a significant difference. However, there's still money to be made for this keyword, even if it's getting, let's say, 7, 5, 10 searches a day, right? So if I was in this situation, I would try to look through all the competition, which are these products here, and I would say, okay, how can I design a product that's better than the current ones? I could use AI to make that happen. I could use Claude. I could use Canva. I could use any kind of system that I want, and I could go ahead and create this. So I can also look at what's getting the most reviews. Well, if we look here, this product is sold for $5. This product is sold for $4.99. I don't know how new or old this product is. I don't know how new or old this one is, but this store has 3.6K favorites, right? And we're gonna look at now the store. We can see here that there are 12 in cart right now. Let's go to this one, right? Let's click open to a new tab and let's see how many in this one. 20 plus in carts. So what it means is that you see this little Canva thing right here that says fast download. The fact that people can edit this with Canva makes it more attractive for this specific product. So what that means is this product is typically more valuable. The store might have less sales, the store might have less reviews, but this product right here is gonna potentially make more money. And that's something quite important to be able to be aware of as you're doing this Etsy research, and that's something you want to keep in mind. So if this video was packed with value, please hit that thumbs up in the description down below. Also, if you're on your phone, hype this video, click that hype button, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see more content like this where we do some in-depth keyword research, let me know as well. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and peace out. Bye.